Hey guys, this is f0xy f0x, and today we're going to be doing the quest Ernest the Chicken. So there's absolutely no requirements for this quest, so to start it we just want to talk to Veronica, who is outside Draenor Manor, which is just north of Draenor Village. So we'll talk to Veronica and she will tell you that her fiance has gone inside the manor and not come out. So we're going to go look for him. So you just want to climb up this set of stairs here, and then up the next one. And in here we want to talk to Professor Ottenstein. And you want to ask him if he's seen a guy called Ernest. Which he has, and he's accidentally turned Ernest into a chicken. So we're going to have to get some spare parts that he's missing for his machine to turn him back. So we're going to climb back down the stairs. And just across the room in this door. And I'm just going to pick up this fish food here because we'll need that later. And we go back down to the ground floor. Alright, so first off, we got to run over here into the kitchen. And into this little pantry here, we're going to pick up the poison. And next we're just going to go over into this room with the checkered floor. And this little room coming off it here has a spade, which we'll also need. And then we want to leave the manor through this door here. And just run all around the house a little bit. Right around till we come to the compost heap, which we want to use the spade on. And we'll dig up a key. And then just further south, we'll get to this little pond, sort of fountain area. And we want to use the poison on the fish food, and then use the poisoned fish food on the fountain. Because apparently there's piranhas in there. So we want to search that now that the piranhas are dead. And we've got our pressure gauge. And we're just going to run back up to the front door of the mansion here. And in this little room here is the rubber tube which we need. There's a level 22 skeleton there, so... next over to this room, to the west, where we want to search the bookcase, which will open a secret door. And we want to climb down the ladder in that little room. Alright, so here is a little bit of a maze kind of thing. We need to pull some levers and whatnot, so if you want to pause it here and just go through the instructions like that, then you can, or you can just watch me do it now. So we want to just pull this lever, pull lever B, and then pull lever A, and then go through this first door here. And then we want to go to the north lever in this room, pull lever D, and this door. Then we want to go back down and pull lever A and B again. And then through this door. But we want to pull both of those levers. And then pull lever C. Back through those doors again. Lever E. And then we go out through these doors here. and into this room, which contains the oil can. So we're done in here, we can climb back up the ladder. And to get out of here, you're going to need to pull this lever to open the door again. Alright, we're nearly done, guys. It's just time to go back up to Professor Odenstein and give him the parts. So you want to talk to him and tell him you've got everything. And it's just gonna work a little magic here. Yeah, Ernest. And Ernest has rewarded you with 300 GP, and you've also got 4 quest points for that. So that's the quest complete, and thank you for watching, guys. So this is f0xy f0x. Remember to rate, comment, subscribe. Alright, thanks guys, see ya.